Welcome to the Foul Mouth News, where the filters are off and the language is colorful. If you are offended by profanity or vulgarity in general, not to mention political incorrectness, this video is not for you. You have been forewarned. So if you have virgin ears, be prepared because they are about to be violated.
Hello, everyone. Now, I'm getting to this a couple days late, but I thought this was a good way to start off the week because it shows the feminazis are losing with their fucking propaganda and their bullshit that women deserve to get shit regardless, okay? And a lot of women, and I was actually following this, but a lot of women thought this fucking cheating whore or alleged cheating whore should get the ring. A $70,000 engagement ring. Because the guy broke it off because he found out she was fucking cheating on him. Because he broke it off, ignore the fact she's a cheating whore or alleged cheating whore. Because he broke it off, she should get the ring. No, that's not, no. An engagement ring is part of a contractual obligation, and the woman gets it when they get married. Massachusetts had a fucking law that was like, well, no, we got to decide fault. No. That's not how shit works. And the Massachusetts Supreme Court surprisingly went and said, no, fuck that shit. That's not how it's going to work in this state. The ring goes back if they don't get married. I was like, damn, when I saw that. So anyway, we got an article here that's from WBZ-TV. That's the local CBS affiliate out of Boston. I actually think this was the station where you've got the fucking bitch at the news desk, the black bitch at the news desk, like, like he should get the ring, You could, like, she was giving that fucking type of look and shit. And she made it clear that she thinks that the woman should get the ring. But anyway, so this was written by Victoria D., published on November 8th. And, the title, Woman Must Return $70,000 Engagement Ring to Former Fiancé. Massachusetts' highest court rules. Yeah, and they actually thought that the court was going to rule in the fucking alleged cheating whore's favor. So anyway, a woman must return a $70,000 engagement ring to her former fiancé after a ruling Friday from the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. And another thing on this note, she was marrying the guy for his money, clearly. This was like one of those type of relationships where it looks like she was substantially younger. She saw this guy with a fucking paycheck and she's fucking younger dudes. And she was looking at a fucking payday. So, yeah. The justices also overturned a rule that required judges to decide who is at fault for an engagement ending. The engagement. Bruce Johnson and Caroline Citino were briefly engaged in 2017. Johnson bought an engagement ring from Tiffany's in Boston for more than $70,000. He then proposed to her on Cape Cod. They broke up a short time later. Johnson accused Citino of being verbally abusive. Doesn't surprise me from what I've following this. She seems like the type that would be. Not accompanying him to cancer treatments and having an affair. Well, if you're going to marry a dude, and he's dealing with cancer, you might want to go and go with him to his cancer treatments. I mean, if you're not going to his cancer treatments, I can see why he broke it off with you, besides the verbally abusive shit and, the cheating on him. Anyway, Johnson claimed he found a text message on Citino's phone to a man that said, "My Bruce is going to be in Connecticut for 3 days. I need some playtime." Yeah, and then the bitch is going to deny that she's cheating? That's clearly a text that she was cheating. She's admitting that she texted this to the fucking dude. Okay? But he's just a friend. But you say he's just a friend. Baby, you got what I need. That's how this guy was feeling. And I know I can't sing, but it just felt right at the moment for that fucking song. I mean, this is ridiculous. This fucking cheating whore, alleged cheating whore. Oh, he's just a friend. Anyway, Citino denied having an affair and said the man she texted was just a friend. So you need playtime with just a male friend. Yeah, okay. So anyway, the ring battle. A trial court judge initially ruled in Citino's favor, saying Johnson was at fault for calling off the engagement, and she gets to keep the ring. Yeah, this stupid fucking bitch. She ruled this, okay? This fucking judge. Because, oh my God, heaven forbid a man actually call out a woman cheating on him and not marry her. He should get the fucking ring back. But no, this fucking cunt was like, no, she should get the ring. Anyway, Johnson appealed the decision, and a Massachusetts appeals court ruled in his favor. Yeah. And that should have been the end of it. The appeals court went, no, this judge is fucking retarded. But no, had to be appealed all the way up to the state judicial Supreme Court. The appeals court said that the SJC would have to consider whether Massachusetts should follow other states where engagement rings are returned to the giver if an engagement is called off, regardless of who's at fault. No fault engagements in Massachusetts. The SJC in turn overturned the 65-year-old rule, which stated that judges had to decide whose fault it was for the engagement ending and then award the ring to the other party, which is a fucking win for men in Massachusetts. Okay? Because you go and you want to marry some broad and you find out that she's some cheating fucking whore. You gotta bring out the fucking Boston fucking Massachusetts accent for this shit. It's just fucking coming out naturally. Not Kamala faking that shit. But if you're gonna be a cheating fucking whore, if you're gonna be a whore, you fucking whore, okay, you don't get the fucking ring, okay? If you're topping off some other guy, you dumb bitch, you stupid whore, you don't get the ring. Regardless, if it doesn't work out, if the guy's like, oh, I don't know if I want to marry you because you're starting to go fucking crazy and shit, you shouldn't get the ring either. This is a fucking win, no longer. Well, men have to worry about whether or not they're going to get the ring back. I mean, this is fucking hilarious. Like, the fucking, all these women thought this bitch deserved the ring. This alleged cheating whore. Okay. They're all fighting for her, saying, yeah, she should get it. And they thought the Massachusetts Supreme Court was going to rule in her favor. Not only did they not do that, they kicked it back and went, no women should get the fucking engagement ring. Fuck you. I love this shit. I've been following this, and this is kind of a surprising fucking result. Oh, God. I mean, 65 years old. A little over 15 years older than me. So this was done in the 1960. Back when they thought, well, you know, women are just like innocent victims and shit. Yeah, okay. They never were. At least not when it comes to the matters of love, eh? They get the power of the pussy, eh? Anyway, we now join the modern trend adopted. The modern trend, this has always been the fucking trend. This is not modern. This has always been the way. If the fucking engagement does not lead to a marriage, the ring goes back to the guy. This is not a modern fucking trend. This has always been the way. Massachusetts bucked it back in 1960. And I know this because my mother is a divorcee. Went, thank God, you know, she lived in New Hampshire, because Massachusetts is fucking ridiculous. Because my ex-stepfather actually tried to get the ring back, and in Massachusetts could have got the ring back. Even though he was a full-fledged alcoholic, verbally abusive, physically attacked me, held a gun to my head, and all this other shit, which is what led to the end of the marriage. I mean, he held a .357 to my fucking head. And, yeah, he would have got the fucking ring back. Modern fucking trend. It isn't a modern trend. This has always been the way. If the marriage doesn't happen, the ring goes back to the man. Sorry. So anyway, we now join the modern trend adopted by the majority of jurisdictions that have considered the issue and retire the concept of fault in this context. You were the fucks who would have said there had to be fault in this shit. This was not something that every state did. No states really did this. We're like the first. And like one of the only ones that did. Yeah. So wait, fault in this context, where, as here, the planned wedding does not ensue and the engagement is ended. The engagement ring must be returned to the donor regardless of fault, wrote Associate Justice, Dalia Arguez, Dalila Arguez Wendland in the decision. The only relevant inquiry in the conditional engagement gift cases is whether the condition under which the gift was made, that is, the marriage ceremony, has failed to occur. Where the planned nuptial does not come to pass, the engagement gift must be returned to the donor, she continued. Yeah. And these fucking cunts, these fucking leftist fucking female cunts, the Kamala fucking voting whores, okay, in Massachusetts all thought this fucking alleged cheating whore should get the fucking ring. Because he broke it off. Because he found a fucking text message with her setting up a fucking booty call. They thought she should get the ring. She was verbally abusive to him. They think she should get the ring. She wouldn't go with him to his cancer treatments, but she should get the ring. No. And I'm glad. This is actually fucking a good thing. Thank God. Surprisingly, the Massachusetts Supreme Court ruled in a good way. Anyway, yeah, I've covered this well enough. I'm leaving things here.
If you've made it this far and haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to subscribe over on the other platforms where this channel's content is uploaded to, as well as subscribe and follow over on sites like Minds, Gab, and Parler. Links to each are in the description.